This my shit talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off.
Follow my lead, don't get lost.
Pedigree different, I'm a big dog.
Hustle every day like Ray Ross.
What's up YouTube, it's your boy Prince Chuline of Prince Chuline Productions, back again with another YouTube video, back again with another one, you feel me? And as you can see in the title, we're gonna do a detox, you feel me? Detox water, like how B Simone said, but I'm adding a little something extra in the water, and all my water is purely filtered water. You can see it right here. This is it. Thumbnail. Ooh. Yeah, but it's a bit foggy because it's all cold. I just took it out the fridge and it's like ice cold right now. So I've been doing this for about a week now, dieting, working out every day. I've been meal prepping. Actually, I'm gonna show you some of my meal prep, but I'm about to go somewhere, but I just wanted to record for now, and I'll be back later. So see you guys in a few seconds. Peace. Alright YouTube, so I'm back. I'm down here. These are some of my meal preps. Meals prepped. Right here, you feel me? I eat one of these a day, aside from breakfast. Yeah. I have my waters over there, let me pull it. And yeah, I do make shakes. I make egg, I make oats for breakfast. I have a bunch of fruits because that's my snacks. I have water crackers and tea, you know, something fast, you know, holds my stomach real quick, and you know, it helps me, you know, not really want to eat as much. It kind of suppresses my hunger a little bit. Tea and water, Jamaican water crackers. Yeah, but other than that, that's all I've been eating for this whole week. And next week is about to be my second week. My surgery is in a few days. It's literally on Wednesday. I'm recording this on Saturday. So yeah, I'm really stressed out, a little bit scared and everything, but hopefully it's successful. It's a one-day operation, in and out in like a few hours, and I'll be home. I won't be able to breathe through my nose per se for that week, but after that I'll be able to, you know, breathe properly and everything. I'll explain it I'm gonna be vlogging the whole surgery and everything. Well, not during the surgery, but before and afters and stuff like that. If you guys hear me sound nasally or anything like that, that's because I have S curve deviated septum. Go look up what it is. I'll explain it in a next video, but for now, I'm talking about the diet. I gotta leave in a few, so I'm gonna come back, bring down the detox water, and explain everything and get into the video. So let's go YouTube, you feel me? Alright YouTube, I'm back. Right now I have the lemon, the lime, the cucumber, and the grapefruit. Grapefruit isn't really a part of anything. Naturally it's supposed to just be lime, lemon, and cucumber, but I feel like grapefruit doesn't hurt, and it just gives like a little bit of flavor. And it's like, yeah. So that's why I use it. You don't have to put it in there if you don't want to. It just works for me. Being on this for about a week, it kind of just really helps with detox. For me, it just makes me like, honestly, it's gonna make you go to the bathroom like every 2 seconds to use the bathroom to pee, and like your pee will be clear. Like, that's crazy, honestly. I mean, my pee has been clear before based on what I ate, but this detox just makes you urinate clear the whole time. Like, it's crazy. But I'm gonna just cut some of these up, put it in here. I have some more water back here still, so yeah, I'm about to just get down to, you know, making this second jug. So let's get back into it.
Hi, I know you're wondering, B Simone, how do you get over guys so quickly? Well, guess what? I fucking don't. But I have something that works. It's called the nigga detox. All you need is 4 ingredients that you probably have in your kitchen already. Starting off with lemon and lime. Name the lemon and lime for every fuck nigga you're trying to get over. Brandon, Daquan, the list goes on and on. Cut it up and put it in your water. You're gonna need a gallon. Then you have a cucumber, the size of the dick you're trying to get over. It might be this size, it might be this size. It doesn't fucking matter. Cut that cucumber up and put it in your water. Oh, I almost forgot something. The mint leaves. This has no purpose besides the fact that you bitches have halitosis. Put it in your water. Nigga detox. I'm over him already. I miss him.
Yeah, but now that I'm done with that, I'm just gonna put this aside. That's literally all that's in there. It takes about like what, 1/3 of the jug, and like I said, you're just putting water in here. It tastes disgusting when warm, so I would not recommend anybody to drink this concoction warm. But yeah, put it in the fridge, let it cool, put some ice in it. I have mine right here. It's cool. Literally doesn't faze me anymore. Back my first sip of it, I was like, you taste, you feel me? You taste, but it actually really cuts calories, and like it breaks down it basically breaks down everything inside your body at the moment, and like kind of reduce like naturally your body produces fat, like holds water, and like naturally you're gonna see a lot of liposuction suck out mostly the water in your body and stuff like that. But this, it kind of like gets rid of the water faster, breaking down fats and excess water in your body, and just like helps you detox, especially if you're working out consistently. And like I said, I've been working out every day this week, and that's how I'm doing it all summer. If anybody wants to train me or anything like that, my Instagram is PrinceRewind_. And you feel me, let's work out, you feel me, let's get it. You feel me, I'm always here to accept the challenge, and let's get it, let's go, you feel me? I'm trying to get abs this summer. I'm just trying to get abs, honestly. That's my main goal. So can we do that? Can we do that this summer? You feel me? Nah, but I'm gonna pour some water in here, and let's get it going. You feels me? Then you put a little ice in there. Little ice. Ice and you valid. That's it. That's literally it. Feel me? And you got yourself some detox water for the summer. You know, calm vibe. You feel me? I got mine right here. What's the word? What's the vibes? If y'all trying to work out, if y'all trying to train, let me know. I'm trying to get abs this summer. I'm trying to get cut. I'm trying to get ripped. You feel me? So let me know what's the vibes. And you know, let's see if we can work something out for this summer. Give me some abs. As y'all know, I'm gonna be working at Viacom, MTV. You feel me? This summer. MTV creative team. You feel me? Brand creative team. And yeah, I'm gonna be occupied this summer, but I'm also gonna have income so that I can, you know, afford, you know, healthy living and meal prep and all this stuff. Because organic products ain't cheap. They're not cheap. The whole economy is set up so that all the unhealthy foods is a lot more, it's a lot less and affordable than the organic healthy products. You know, they're trying to keep us unhealthy in this country, you feel me? But I didn't say that, you feel me? But I'm gonna try and eat healthy. I'm gonna try and stay on this routine, stay on this diet as long as possible. I stayed on it for a week so far. You guys probably seen the last video a few ago where I said that I would do the military diet for a while. The military diet is like starving yourself. So I don't like starving myself. I like to eat. I'm a big guy. But hopefully I'll be able to stay up to date with this. I have someone helping me with nutrition, and you know, as you know, I do boxing, so workouts is not, having a workout routine is not hard for me, but working out is very painful. After a while, your arms start to cramp, your arms start to hurt because you're constantly flexing a muscle, calves, legs entirely, because I do jog. That's a part of the whole workout thing. And you know, muscles, you're constantly flexing, boom, 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 and like it's a lot. You wake up in the morning and your whole body's sore and you don't want to move or do anything. That's really scary, for the fact that I have to be up by a certain time. Like, I'm trying to do workouts at 5 so that I can stay on a routine. Like, you guys see me breathing like this, don't worry, my surgery's on Wednesday. Hopefully this whole problem will be resolved. I won't be able to work out, lift weights for like a week, week to 2 weeks, or there's gonna be heavy blood flow. But you guys will get the deets of my surgery. Yeah, but hopefully you guys like this detox water. Like, comment, share, subscribe, stay hit the bell to be notified every time I post, and be a part of the Trooper Gang Trooper Squad experience, you feel me? Trooper Gang Trooper Squad, you feel me? Let's Gang on YouTube, you feel me? You know, DDG family, they cool. Roti family, they aight, you feel me? They aight. Frost Gang, Stay Frosty, they aight, they okay, feel me? But they not Trooper Gang Trooper Squad, you feels me? Hit that notification bell to be notified every time I post. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what it is. French True Line of French True Line Productions. Peace.
Shining brighter than a diamond, 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 cause I got the glow. Phone ringing, yeah, the money calling, and I got the go. I'm back up on my shit, yeah, I thought you should know. Shining brighter than a diamond, 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 cause I got the glow.